I just found some hidden Shopify discounts that can save you the maximum on your subscription. So to get those deals, firstly go through the link in the description, otherwise you will not get these deals. After that, you will land to the official page of Shopify. So the pricing of Shopify subscription varies country to country. Like if you are from the USA and using the link, you only get 3 days free trial, then $1 for 1 month. But if you want to get this for 3 months, just install the Urban VPN extension from Google. After installing, choose India in countries. Because in India, you will get 3 days free trial plus 3 months for just 20 rupees. And $1 is equal to 86.95 Indian rupees. Otherwise, you are smart enough to calculate yourself. No coupon code needed, just click and activate the offer. Wanna upgrade to Shopify Plus? You can save big on your first payment. Shopify doesn't usually give codes for this, but if you sign up via the official promotion page, you will unlock special discounts. Check the pin comment for more details. And lastly, Shopify sometimes offers exclusive discount for students and non-profits. But you have to qualify to get the special pricing. I will link the application page below. How to claim? Just click the link, then sign up and your discount is automatically applied. Bonus tip. If you start with the Shopify free trial and wait for a few days before upgrading, you might get a special discount offer in your email. Shopify sometimes offers extra deal to new users who take their time before subscribing. These offers change frequently, so if you see a deal, grab it before it's gone. If you found this video useful, then make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this.